everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I bring you a new Zara unboxing. Do you remember the last one? That was horrible. Let's try again. Let's open it up. Ta-da! What is inside? First, a pair of sneakers. It's more or less the same style that I have. I show you now. They are hungry and I changed from this. They care for work. Let's move on to the next item. A t-shirt. Expectation versus reality. You can see greasy. I call it greasy t-shirt. I must iron. I ordered L size. I suppose it fit me well. Okay, let's move on to the next. Greasy, please. Always appear in my video. This purple greasy. Okay, let's change another place because we see has taken this one. This one is the dress. The website says it's pink, but for me it's more purple. And also, can you see? Come without label. So I'm very disappointed with that because if the dress will not fit me, how I return it? I cannot do it. It's without label. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.